Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're focusing on the focal point of any wildlife portrait, the eye. We're aiming for depth, moisture, and that intense predatory gaze. I'm working on Strathmore mixed media paper. Its heavy vellum surface is perfect for this because it handles the heavy wax buildup of professional pencils without becoming too slick. We'll be using 3 specific pencil types today: Faber-Castell Polychromos for our sharp foundational details, Derwent Drawing for those opaque, earthy base layers, and Caran Luminance for the final buttery blends. Let's sharpen up and get started. We start with the pupil. I'm using a Polychromos black, not just to fill it in, but to define a crisp, sharp edge. Because Polychromos is oil-based, it won't smudge as we layer lighter wax colors over the top later. Now for the iris. Instead of just coloring orange, we're building a gradient. I'm using Derwent Drawing pencils. These have a unique creamy opacity that covers the paper tooth quickly. Use a medium, heavy pressure and circular motions to burnish the outer rim, then lighten your pressure as you move toward the pupil. This creates a sunburst effect, mimicking the natural muscles of the eye. Notice how I'm leaving small gaps of paper white. We're not going to fill those just yet because those are our underglow spots for later. Now let's look at the eyeliner and the surrounding fur. The biggest mistake beginners make is drawing fur as straight lines. If you look at a tiger, the fur curves around the bone structure of the brow. Use short, tapered flicking strokes. Start with your pencil on the paper, flick outward, and lift off. This ensures the hair looks like it has a root and a tip. To blend the dark markings into the orange fur, I'm using a lighter luminance pencil. By layering a light color over a dark one, you create a lost and found edge that looks much more realistic than a harsh transition. Finally, we move on to that spectacular highlight. Using a white gel pen, I'm adding a sharp reflection on the upper curve of the pupil. But here's the tip: add a few tiny faint dots on the opposite side of the iris. This represents reflected light bouncing back through the lens of the eye. It's a small detail, but it's what transforms a flat drawing into a 3D sphere. Another pro tip: to get that glossy, wet look, you need high contrast. So take a sharp white Polychromos pencil and burnish those amber areas in the iris of the eye. This pushes the pigment into the paper grain, creating a smooth, glass-like finish. If you found these layering techniques helpful, hit that like button. In part 3, we'll move to more of the fur, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.